what's happened over the last 30 years is you, me, and every other vendor in the space have eroded trust. So nobody picks up their phones, nobody reads emails. And for the first time in a long time, we have an ability to reset trust, and we can do it through social. So we do this for companies, and we show them, okay, now that you're building relationships, your customers will organically start to raise their hands and say, hey, I'm interested. Or if it's a subject matter that you're building your solution around, bring it up. They'll talk about it. Let them be your community. Everybody's focused today on the company building community, that we need to build community. In reality, your customers, your prospects will do it on their own if you give them an opportunity.